Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Bajaj card for online shopping. First, make sure your Bajaj FinServ EMI network card is active and ready for use. You'll need to link it to your online shopping accounts where you plan to make purchases. Also, confirm that your registered mobile number is updated, as this is crucial for receiving one-time passwords during transactions. This initial setup ensures a smooth and secure shopping experience. Next, let's talk about where you can use your card. Many popular online shopping platforms and e-commerce websites accept the Bajaj FinServ EMI network card. Always look for the Bajaj FinServ EMI network card logo or payment option during checkout. For a comprehensive list of all partner stores, you can visit the official Bajaj FinServ website. This ensures you're shopping at an approved merchant and can avail of the EMI benefits. Now for the actual checkout process. Once you've added items to your cart, proceed to payment and select the Bajaj FinServ EMI network card option. You'll then be prompted to choose your desired EMI tenure, which could range from 3 to 24 months, depending on the product and offer. Finally, enter your card details and the one-time password sent to your registered mobile number to complete the secure transaction. It's a straightforward process. To maximize your Bajaj card benefits, remember that many products are available with no-cost EMI options, meaning you pay no extra interest. You can easily track all your EMI payments and upcoming dues through the Bajaj FinServ mobile application. Also, keep an eye out for exclusive offers and discounts that are frequently available for cardholders. These tips help you make the most of your online shopping experience with your Bajaj FinServ EMI network card.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.